webinar today. Welcome to the Aimesoft webinar about.
Tại sao để em?
Okay, so welcome to the Aimesoft webinar about Slideshow automation software AimeTalk, a brand new chain of Slideshow automation virtual presenter. So I am Đức Nguyễn. I am the CEO of Aimesoft. Welcome again. So the topic today I would like to talk is about the software for automated slide presentation. We call it AimeTalk. So what is AimeTalk? It's a software for slide show automation. Basically, it can automatically read out speaker notes in the slide. It can automatically traverse through the pages in the slides, and it can automatically synthesize the face animation from one avatar photo. So why don't we use AimeTalk to present this slide itself? Let me try to do that to show you a demo of what AimeTalk is. So here I will copy the URL of this slide and paste to AimeTalk screen here. So here we have the screen of AimeTalk. We can select some avatar here. So for example, this time I select myself as the avatar. So you can create the avatar by uploading the images here. And you can also setting the reading speed, the gender, the language of the avatar, and the slideshow. So that page is here. And then now we would like to show the avatar. So I will turn off my video. So the avatar will talk on behalf of me. So I don't need to show my video anymore. Let's start the presentation with AimeTalk.
Welcome to the Aimesoft webinar today. I am Duke, a virtual presenter of Duke Nguyen, CEO of Aimesoft. So the topic today is about the automated slide presentation software AimeTalk. Let's start the presentation. Okay, so this slide was presented by the real Duke Nguyen, but I will repeat it. AimeTalk is a software for automated slide presentation. It can automatically read out speaker notes in the slides. It automatically traverses through the pages in the slides. It automatically synthesizes your face animation from a single face photo. First, let me introduce our company. We are Aimesoft, a company based in San Jose, California and Hanoi, Vietnam. We also have an office in Tokyo. We are working on multimodal artificial intelligence or multimodal AI. We use this technology to create a series of virtual human software. AimeTalk is a virtual presenter software which can perform your presentation on behalf of you. For example, if you have a webinar that repeats multiple times, AimeTalk can talk in the webinar instead of you. AimeTalk can also be used in other events such as conferences, meetings, lectures. Okay, let's check the technologies behind AimeTalk. AimeTalk utilizes multimodal AI and robotic process automation, or RPA, technologies to automate slide presentation tasks. With speech synthesis technology and computer vision technology, AimeTalk has the ability to speak and animate your face, given just a single photo. RPA helps to automate repetitive processes such as opening slides, reading note, turning page, and playing video. Now I will go to the details of each technology. The first technology is multimodal AI. So what is multimodal AI? Multimodal AI is a new AI paradigm in which various data types such as text, images, audio, voice, and numerical data are combined to achieve higher precision. Multimodal AI mimics the behavior of humans. Humans also combine such information while reasoning. Please watch this video for a brief introduction of multimodal AI concept. AimeTalk will automatically plays this video.
Aimesoft is one of the first companies in the world to do research and development of multimodal AI software. How multimodal AI is different from existing single-modal AI. Until now, AI, we called single-modal AI, often utilizes only one type of data, such as text or image or speech data. This does not meet our demands. Multimodal AI is different.
Good morning, Trudy.
Good morning.
It's 6:30 a.m. This morning. The sky is clear. It will be a warm day.
Tell me my schedule.
Today at 10:30 a.m., you have an important meeting with the client in room 306.
Could you tell me which shirt I should wear today for that meeting?
I recommend you to wear the cyan one. I think the reed one is not so suitable for the client meeting. With the cyan one, I believe that the client will like you and sign the contract. Good luck.
Multimodal AI combines multiple input data sources: image, speech, text, numerical data, just similar to what we humans do inside our brain. These data types are then processed with computer vision, natural language processing, speech processing, data mining, to achieve high accuracy on various real-world problems. This is multimodal AI. Go to the office. You will meet with a reception each morning. Go to the hospital. Aim Hospital is going to take care of you. Go to the hotel. Aim Hotel. A virtual hotel clerk will help you to check in and serve all your requests. Go to the supermarket. You can enjoy shopping with Aime AI Shop. We will respond to your request at any time. A unicorn is everywhere to change the style of your life and your business.
AimeTalk can talk in 40 different languages, including English, Japanese, Spanish, Korean, Chinese, Vietnamese, and other languages. The technology behind this is speech synthesis. It allows you to input some text and it create a native voice from the input text. You can try out speech synthesis system by searching for AimeSpeech. Face animation technology in AimeTalk makes your avatar alive with just a single input image. Let's check this demo video. It will make you speak Japanese.
本日のサービスは間もなく終了させていただきます。
Robotic process automation is a technology that emulates humans' actions interacting with digital systems and software. This technology is applied for repetitive tasks. So why should you use AimeTalk? You'll be saving cost for repetitive presentation tasks. Don't speak the language. Don't worry, AimeTalk will speak on behalf of you by supporting more than 40 languages. With AimeTalk, you could create any virtual avatar you like. Last but not least, you could reduce errors in your slideshow. AimeTalk is not only for presentation. It can also be used for online lecture automation. It can also be used for product introduction, product user manual, or information services. There are various other examples of AimeTalk utilization. Sounds great. So how can I download AimeTalk? You can easily download and install AimeTalk by doing a Google search for AimeTalk and go to this page. Then please click on the download button just above the demo video in the page. Once you start AimeTalk, the home screen looks like this. For a sample presentation, just click the present button. If you want to run your own presentation, enter the link to your presentation, then click present. Congratulations, you have learned how to use AimeTalk. During the presentation, you can pause and resume it. To do that, just hover your mouse on the avatar. You can see the pause or resume button. You can use this feature to pause the presentation a while for your detailed explanation of some figures or texts in the slide.
Yes, so here I can pause the presentation like this. So I can explain something here. For example, I point our mouse to this figure and explain about it. And then I can also move this avatar around. And I resume the slideshow.
Now let's change your avatar. First, you need to switch to the Create Model tab, upload and name your avatar, then click the Create Model button. Don't worry about the privacy. Your image will be processed locally, no server upload here. After a few minutes, your avatar will be ready to use. Now go back to Presentation tab and start presenting. You can customize your presentation from the settings screen. For example, you can change the language of the presentation from the language dropdown. You can also change the gender, speed of the voice, as well as the background image of the virtual avatar. That is all about AimeTalk User Guide. Now I would like to go back to the virtual human series that we are creating. We created a series of virtual humans, including AimeTalk is this software. AimeReception is a virtual receptionist software which can act similar to a real human receptionist in front desks. AimeHotel is the virtual hotel clerk which helps automating various tasks in hotels, and Aimesoft is the virtual shop clerk that can support customers in retail stores or supermarkets. The virtual human software packages are built inside our multimodal AI software ecosystem AimeNicorn. AimeNicorn contains our core multimodal AI engines, such as AimeFace for face recognition, AimeFluent for natural language understanding, and AimeLytics for predictive analytics. Using these core AI engines, we can build various AI applications, including the virtual human software series. Let's see how other virtual humans in our virtual human software series work. Our virtual receptionist software AimeReception can automate common reception tasks just like a normal receptionist. It can welcome guests, answer questions about company, check appointment, schedule. With face recognition technology, AimeReception has the ability to monitor reception area, check staff attendance. AimeReception helps reducing interactions between humans amid the COVID pandemic. Let's watch a demo video about AimeReception.
Morning, Tiana. Have a nice day at work. Aimesoft, please select a language. How can I help you?
Yes, I have a meeting in Tom.
Okay, can you give me your name, please?
My name's John.
Hey, John, I found your meeting. The meeting will be held in meeting room 3 at 10 a.m. You'll call us staff. We got you. Please come inside and meet. Welcome to Aimesoft. Please select the language to begin. How can I help you? Our staff got the message. Please wait a second.
AimeHotel is a virtual hotel clerk software. AimeHotel's core technology is pretty much the same as AimeReception, but it was customized to process tasks at hotels. Users can ask for hotel services and information, automatically checking in and out. Virtual retail store clerk Aimesoft automatically provides information about items. It can also suggest suitable items for buyers. This is the virtual human series of Aimesoft. We created many types of virtual humans to help you in various areas in your business and life. The ultimate goal is to transform your business and life with the power of multimodal AI. That is all about virtual human and the virtual presenter software AimeTalk, who did the presentation. Thank you for your attention.
Okay. That's all. AimeTalk do everything for me. So I just introduce the slide, and then I just present the rest thing for me, as you can see in the demo. So that's what we would like to show today. You can see that it reduced much of my work, automate everything for slide presentation, from video playing, from slide pages transition, from speaker note read out. So yeah, everything AimeTalk can automate it for you. So I think we have about 3 minutes later for before we can go to the QA section. So I would like to show you the setting of AimeTalk. If you open AimeTalk like this, let me open it again. You go to application and open AimeTalk. Then you get this screen. So from this screen, you can paste your presentation here. In the presentation, you need to write the speaker note like this. So AimeTalk can read it out. And that paste the presentation slide here and press this button, present button. Then it will do the presentation for you. You don't need to do anything. So for creating the model, you can upload any images here. For example, I will upload another images to create the avatar like this. And press create model. Oh, I need to insert the name of the avatar here. For example, yeah, I create many avatar of me. So Đức 1, Đức 2, Đức 3, 4. And then we press create model button here. So it will take several minutes to change the model to animate, to automatically animate the avatar. So that wait about 2 or 3 minutes. Yes, so while we are waiting for this, I would like to go back to the slide to remind about AimeTalk, because many members, many audience here enter the room a little bit late. So maybe they cannot listen to the first slide. So AimeTalk is a software for automated slide presentation. Basically, it can automatically read out speaker notes in the slides. It can automatically traverse through pages in the slides, and it can automatically synthesize the face avatar from that one image. So you can see here, I upload a photo of me and create a model. So it takes about 1 minute to finish the model training. So you can select the 4 here and do the presentation like this. So now if you go to setting and you change the background images of the window like this, And you can also change the speed. For example, if I would like to speak faster, then I input this value here, the speed, and let's do it again. Yeah, my network is not very good, but somehow the software is loading.
Welcome to the Aimesoft webinar today. I am Duke, a virtual presenter of Duke Nguyen, CEO of Aimesoft. So the topic today is about the automated slide presentation software AimeTalk. Let's start the presentation. Okay, so this slide was presented by the real Duke Nguyen, but I will repeat it. AimeTalk is a software for automated slide presentation. It can automatically read out speaker notes in the slides. It automatically traverses through the pages in the slides. It automatically synthesizes your face animation from a single face photo. First, let me introduce our company.
Okay, so here we have the male voice. We can also change it into female voice. Let me change it. Like this, you just select female and you maybe we will increase the speed and we select the female figure here and present again.
Welcome to the Aimesoft webinar today. I am Duke, a virtual presenter of Duke Nguyen, CEO of Aimesoft. So the topic today is about the automated slide presentation software AimeTalk. Let's start the presentation.
Yes, yes, that's what we would like to introduce to you today. So basically, we created the virtual presentation software AimeTalk, and we also create lots of other virtual human software packages like AimeReception, a virtual receptionist, AimeHotel, virtual hotel clerk, Aimesoft, virtual shop clerk. And we are going to create lots of other virtual human software from now to help you in the life and the business. Thank you so much for the attention. So here's the end of the real presentation by me and the avatar of me. And now we are going to the Q&A session. Do you have any question or comment? You can write it in the chat room, or you can also open the microphone and speak out the question. Any question? Yeah, so I'm waiting for the question. If you have any question, please type into the Zoom chat box, or you can also turn on the microphone. Yes, I have one question here. So AimeTalk free. So the answer is yes, it is free right now. So if you download AimeTalk right now, you will have a free you will have 1 month free. And yeah, so for the download, let's go to Google and search AimeTalk. And then you go to this link and then press download button. So now you can download a free trial version of AimeTalk for about 1 month. After 1 month, it will not be free. So we will charge you about $10 a month for AimeTalk license fee. So let's go to this page and press download button. Then press the download button again. You need to select the correct operating system version. And now if you download now, you can use AimeTalk free for 1 month. After that, you will need a license fee for each month. Or you can also buy the license fee for 6 months or 1 year. You can also see a demo video of AimeTalk here and an example slide presentation here. You can copy this link and paste to AimeTalk to see how it works. Okay, so I have another question here. Can AimeTalk clone my voice? So the answer is currently no. You need to select the voice here. We have lots of voice here, both female and male, but we cannot clone the voice right now. But in future, we will support voice cloning. And also we for now we only support Google Slide URL, but in future we will implement AimeTalk for both Microsoft PowerPoint and Adobe Reader, Acrobat Reader, and other presentation software. It can work with PowerPoint, with PDF, and with Keynote. So I have the next question here. Could the avatar have the real movement of mouth in accordance with my speech? The answer is yes. So here I will show you some demo about lip sync. So we developed a technology called AimeLip-Sync. AimeLip-Sync it simply synchronize the lips. Here, let me show you a demo.
And I don't know when your moment was, but I bet you there was one.
So yes, the answer is yes. It can have the real movement of mouth according with your speech. Okay, any other question? I'm waiting for the question and comment. So now AimeTalk is working with Windows 7 or above and Mac OS X from High Sierra or above. So basically it will work with your machine. If it's not too deprecated version of the operating system, then it will work well. So let me show you again how to download AimeTalk. So go to Google and search for AimeTalk. That's all. Then you can see a demo video. You can see the AimeTalk link. Click on it and press the download button. And don't forget to copy this link as a demo presentation to paste in AimeTalk for a demo. And you can also view this link by click on it. Okay, so I have another question. So the question is, can it be installed on mobile phone? Okay, so the answer is no. Right now, no, because it is difficult to see the presentation on a mobile phone. But we will think about mobile phone very soon, because if you connect the mobile phone with the with a projector, then maybe we can make it to work on mobile phone and output the result to a projector. Okay. Yeah, so here is an example slide of AimeTalk. You can see this slide from the home page, the landing page of AimeTalk, like this. And you can also download AimeTalk from this button. Download and install. And do the presentation, the lecture, the manual with AimeTalk. It's very easy. Okay, so I think we have run out of time. So thank you so much for participating in the Aimesoft webinar today. We will publish our slide and our recorded video later on our Facebook and Twitter. And I hope that you will download and use AimeTalk for automating the repetitive slide presentation work. Thank you so much.